You want to know how can you remove Meta Account Center from Instagram. Today in this video, we'll learn exactly how can you do that, so let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go ahead and open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Find Instagram and go ahead and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version, just like that. Now quit the store and go ahead and open Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your account and then tap right here in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner right here. From this menu, tap on Settings and Privacy right there. Now tap on Account Center. It will take you, of course, to Account Center on Meta. Go ahead and tap on Accounts from here. Then choose the account that you want to remove and tap on Remove right next to it. From here, tap on Remove Account at the very top. And now once you tap on Continue, your account or Instagram account will be removed from Account Center. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.